Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening your Clipchamp project and making sure you have a track ready for speech. Once done, upload any media or add an empty audio layer. This is where the TTS will sit. Select language and voice early so rendered timing matches your visuals, and set speed to match pacing. Make sure you save project changes before generating speech. It prevents repeated re-rendering. This early setup avoids timing issues when you add text and synthesize audio next. Now input the text you want spoken into the text-to-speech panel, breaking content into short lines for natural phrasing. Preview the voice so you can tweak pitch and speed. Previewing saves time versus full generation. Once satisfied, generate the TTS audio and locate the clip in your media bin. Drag it to the timeline and align with visuals. Use cuts and trims to tighten timing. If a line drags, shorten text or speed up slightly to preserve natural cadence and match visuals. To finish, balance your TTS level against music and effects, applying fades where speech begins or ends so nothing jumps out. Export a short sample to confirm sync, pronunciation, and pacing. This catches issues before full export. If a word is mispronounced, edit the text using phonetic spelling or hyphens, then regenerate that clip. If audio clips sound robotic, try a different voice or slightly slower speed. These final checks ensure clear, natural results and save rework time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.